pretty quick, because if you're in this situation, you want to be out your problem situation straight away. So if you've got the key, right, and you're off doing your business, right, put the key in, and you're going, obviously you have to make sure it's in neutral. Let's just double check. Yes, it's in neutral. Just did there. You're starting. Oh, it's not picking up anything. What you can do is problem solve. Put the key in. Turn 1, 2, like that. If you do hear, you may hear like a sound. That is just the fuel pump, I believe. That means the fuel pump is working fine, and you can give it one more shot. Right, and if that's not working, what you can do, right, is use the other method. You got your key in. Hold on, I'm gonna have to make this quick. Right, the foot pedal is down there, or the gas pedal. Put the gas pedal right down, foot down. Click on number 2, and honestly. There you go. And then you can now do off your business. Right, all done. Honestly, finding out what the issue is, and it's probably just the battery. Not just obviously a battery, the battery is dying.